Hi, Bill here with Stamplistic. In this video I'm going to demonstrate a few techniques that you can use when applying gilding polish and glitter kiss to your projects. I'd also like to remind you that all the products that you see me demonstrating, all 31 colors of gilding polish, the 16 colors of glitter kiss, as well as the dyes, are available at Stamplistic.com. I used one of our die cuts and colored it previously. This was the ocean teal, the pistachio green, and the Indian pink. And let's say that I want to take and put a little bit of bling on this. I'm going to use Glitter Kiss. If you remember from one of the other segments, Glitter Kiss is a ultrafine glitter that's suspended in a clear adhesive. So the adhesive doesn't have any color. All the color you see in this is the color of the glitter itself. Now, when you're going to apply this glitter to a die cut, you're going to pull some glitter up on your sponge. You never want big globs like that. You're going to pull it back off on the edges. You're going to get a nice uniform coat of glitter and adhesive on the sponge. And you're just going to dab it onto the die cut. Since this is kind of a delicate die cut, you can't rub it on, so I'm just going to dab it on. You don't need much to start with. The important part here is that you have a uniform coat of glitter and adhesive on your die cut. Now, you can see that it's sticky, and another important part of this process is you have to wait for this to dry before you can put an additional coat on. So we're going to wait just a few seconds for this to lose some of its tackiness. I'm going to again pull up some more glitter onto my dauber, my applicator sponge, and I'm going to put a second coat on. Now, I'm not going to go over each spot too many times because I don't want the dauber to pull off the glitter that I just put onto the Victorian die cut. But I hope at this point you can see that you're starting to get quite a bit of glitter. Now, you can stop the process anytime you would like. As soon as it gets to the amount of glitter that you like on your project, you can stop. I can continue to put glitter on this until it's almost completely covered in glitter. Now that's not what I want to do in this particular case. That's about does it for me. And hopefully you can see the amount of glitter that's on this project. Now, to get that much glitter onto a project in almost any other technique would take forever. This is a very quick process. It dries very quickly. This glitter is already drying on this, even though I put 3 coats on it, and it's ready to use on my project. Now, I can do the same thing if I want to put glitter and highlight my embossed figure with glitter. But instead of dabbing, I'm now going to pull up some glitter. I'm going to drop it onto my project, and I'm going to rub it across the page. You don't get very much glitter on this first coat. What I'm getting is more glue, more of the adhesive, than I am glitter. But you can see how it's sticky. Okay. And I'm going to let that dry. There's just a faint amount of glitter on the project, but that's the important piece to this. The important piece is that you get some of that adhesive and a little bit of glitter. I'm going to turn my project 90 degrees because it's dry already. I don't put any more glitter on the applicator sponge the first time, or the second time as I did the first time. But now as I rub it across the page, you get a lot more glitter that starts being picked up by the project. I'm going to wait for it to dry just slightly. I'm going to wait just a few seconds. Pull some more glitter up. Again, never any globs of glitter on the applicator sponge. And I now have quite a bit of glitter on this, on just the embossed, just the raised areas of this embossed image. Sometimes it's difficult on a video to actually see the amount of glitter, the glitter kiss that's being put onto a project. So what I want to do is I want to take a white die cut, and I'm going to apply some of our antique rose glitter onto that white die cut, so you see just how much glitter and how much color it adds to the die cut. Again, I pull up some glitter and I start dabbing it onto my die cut, being somewhat careful because this die cut is delicate. Now this is just the first coat. So you can see how much color and how much glitter is now on this die cut. I'm going to wait for this to dry. Give it 15 to 20 seconds. Wait for it to dry. Make sure it's not tacky any longer. And we can apply a second coat. If you notice, whenever I pull up glitter, or for that matter, the polish onto my applicator sponges, I always look at it and make sure that there's not globs, and I pull off any globs that might be on there. Okay, now using just white cardstock, you can see how much glitter is actually on this project. It's almost completely colored in just those two coats. If there was a background color to this, you wouldn't see the white, and you'd just see the glitter on top of that background color. So you can see how much glitter you can get down onto a project in a very short period of time.